Hello everyone! We are today for a review of a special edition, the Climber Wood for You, or the All You Wish uh, for Christmas, of course. So it's a special edition. This year it's the Climber. So it's the 13704 63E2. So special edition 2020. So let's open it. It's also called the Christmas knife. So we have walnut wood scales, and so it's a climber, so the same as a regular one. So we have the main blade with a star here. So the main blade, the small blade, we have scissors, of course, we have the can opener with, of course, the flathead screwdriver, the small, large flathead screwdriver, wire stripper, and of course, bottle opener. So that's it for this side. Then on the back we have the corkscrew, the mini screwdriver, which is not included in regular climbers, and we have the multi-purpose hook. Finally, the rimmer, and that's it. So of course we don't have tweezers and toothpick because of the wood scales. We have the key ring, no problem. And here we have this Christmas tree, some stars, the Victorinox logo. All of this is engraved in the scales. I'll let you watch. And on the other side we have a star like this, a bit like on the blade. And we have the year 2020. I think I said it's walnut wood scales. Really beautiful knife. So yeah, it's still available right now, but I don't know it will last long. It's only available in the Victorinox store. You can buy it online, of course, but only on Victorinox website. So if you want to buy it, I think you should do it fast, because I don't know if it will last very long. Usually it's limited at around 5,000 It was like that 2 or 3 years ago. But since then we don't really know the number. Victorinox doesn't say. So if it's always if it's still around 5,000, or if it's more, maybe, I don't know. But in any case, yes, you should buy it quickly if you want. If you want it. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, of course. And see you next time.
It's the calm before the storm.